Good day YouTube, welcome to math.serve.com. In this clip we're going to be going over part 1 of our composite shapes ACT prep puzzle. We're going to be looking at composite triangles. Alright, the question is as follows. So considering this composite triangle right here, the question is how many triangles do you see? How many triangles do you see? Alright, so this is a typical question that shows up on the ACT and other entrance exams. So it basically involves you being able to identify the fact that we have triangles within triangles. Can you identify the inner triangles and the outer triangles? Alright, so an approach that we can use to solve this problem is by breaking this triangle up into different sizes. Okay, we're going to start with the innermost triangle and then we'll scale it up from there. Alright, so we have that innermost triangle. I'm going to call this my 1 by 1 triangle. So if you see this triangle that I have here, the question is how many of these little triangles are there in this figure right here? And then when we're done with that, we can then scale it up to a bigger triangle, namely the 2 by 2 triangle. Okay, alright, so let's start with the 1 by 1 triangle and see how many we have there. So we have 1, 2, 3. Now if you notice over here you have another triangle here. The only thing is that it's upside down. Okay, so that makes it 4. Alright, so we have a total of 4 of the 1 by 1 triangles in this composite figure right here. Alright, so I'm going to call this my 1 by 1 because it's the unit triangle, and I will specify how many we have there. So for my 1 by 1 triangle, we have a total of 4. Okay. Alright, now how about this bigger triangle right here? If I place this triangle right here, if you look at it, if you look at the dimensions of the sides right here, we have 2 of these 1 by 1 triangle at the base right here. So I'm going to call this my 2 by 2 triangle. Okay, so how many of these 2 by 2 triangles do you have here? If I overlap it right here, you can see that we have exactly 1 of the big triangle in this composite figure. Alright, so for my 2 by 2 by 2 triangle, we have exactly 1. Alright, so we have one of those, which gives us 1. And then if we find the total, is basically 1 plus 4. And then we have a total of 5 triangles in this composite figure that we have right here. So let us know what you think. Was this puzzle difficult for you to figure out? Are there any other approaches, maybe higher level mathematical expressions that can be used to attack problems of this nature? Let us know by posting your response in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. We're going to be uploading more puzzles like this. And then we have a collection of videos at math.serve.com. Do check it out. Thanks again for watching and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.